Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the classic daiquiri. First, you'll want to add ice to your cocktail shaker. And then you'll add 1 part rum. Half a part of lime juice. And half a part of simple syrup. Next you'll want to, seal the shaker.
Using a water bottle?
What? Yes, in this case, there's only a water bottle. I'm sorry. So now shake vigorously. Into a glass.
That is so slow.
I know.
Why don't you take the lid off ever?
I don't get the ice will get in. Then add a lime as garnish. And there you have the traditional daiquiri. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you again next week.